Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about an important point. So there I was trying to learn this class, but I didn't have any tools or knowledge to how to effectively think critically to perform as a master student. So what did I do? I found a mentor who did what I wanted to do, which is practically selling on Amazon, and who is the best in it, and I try to model him. In fact, Private Label Masters is the best program out there. Besides, since I joined the program, I've been performing very well. I've been actually learning step by step how to take a concept, build a USP around the product, and sell it on Amazon using my private label. Isn't that amazing? So I invite you to do the same. If you want to go there and chase your dream, make sure that you apply yourself to actively develop your ideas. Don't just talk about it. I know a lot of people talking about positive thinking. It's good, but it's not enough. To change your life, you need positive actions. So, how do you start? If you read Think and Grow Rich, it's a book that I recommend if you don't know about it. He talks about desire. You need to have a clear vision of what you're trying to accomplish. Then, you need to set goals. I know a lot of people talk about goals, but let me take you a step further. You need to have SMART goals. And actually lately I have learned how to transform your goals and why you do it to actually manifest it. So what I'm trying to explain to you is, for example, if you want to launch a product, you need to develop step by step what it's going to take. You know you need to do product research using tools like Helium 10, Viral Launch, and there's many others. You know after that, you need to vet the different products that you're going to search. After you vet them, you need to talk to suppliers in China. Then you can calculate what's your return on investments, or to simplify, what's your profit. Then, depending on your goals, you can determine if you want to pursue the product or not. So step by step, what you're going to do. Once you realize the strategy you want to use, make all those steps into SMART goals and put them in your calendar for the next week. Let's say you start on a Monday. That weekend before, on Saturday morning, for example, you need to label exactly what you're trying to do on each steps. For example, instead of just saying find a product, you can be like, I want to look for 10 products on Alibaba from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. that meet my specifications or scope. You put that on your calendar. So on Monday, when you start your work at 9, you know exactly what you're supposed to do. And then there are many other steps after that. But that was just an example to help you start on your journey. So those are different stuff that I learned going in business for myself. And if you really want to go to business or sell a product or do anything that's worthwhile for you, I will actively ask you to start setting those goals. Okay, that was my message for today. First, you need to set those goals. Second, you need to believe in yourself and have faith. and then let the magic happen. Stay tuned for another valuable information that's going to help you take your life one step further. Peace.